The area of a sector of a circle is 308 centimeters square with the central angle measuring 45 degree. Then find the radius of the circle, right? So consider this is a circle, right? In this is a sector, right? With the central angle measuring 45 degree. And the area of this sector is 308 centimeters square. Sector means a sector is a region bounded by two radius of a circle. This is one radius, this is one radius, two radius of a circle and a intercepted arc of a circle, right? In for area of a sector, if we know the angle of a sector is measured in terms of degree, that is 45 degree, then area equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Likewise, if the angle is measured in terms of radian, then the area of a sector is 1 by 2 r square theta. In this question, we have measured the angle in terms of degree, right? So we have to use the first formula, that is area equal to theta by 360 into pi r square, right? We know the area, right? Area is 308 centimeters square equal to theta is 45 degree divided by 360 into pi is 22 by 7 into r square. So r square equal to, we have to take the remaining terms to the other side. 308 into 360 into 7 divided by 45 into 22. 2 11s are 22. Here cut this. 2 11s are 22. 8 11s are 88. 9 5s are 45. 7 5s are 35. 2 5s are 10. So 1 9s are 9. 8 9s are 72. 1 4 2s are 8. So equal to 28 into 28. That is r square. So r equal to 28. So radius of a circle is 28 centimeter. Answer is option D, 28 centimeter.